Okay guys, welcome back to the Minecraft Railways board. So we've built a little station here and some sidings, and I thought I'd show you before we close off all the circuitry what we have built for the start of our free-build railway. So as you can see, we've got a little level crossing here, and there's the road and the village, and there's a crossover with some more sidings here which also doubles as a passing loop. So, the points here and the circuitry, as you can kind of see from here, is all controlled from levers in a signal box, like a working signal box. As you can see, the wires are all independent and they lead out to each of the little points and sets of track approaching, well, as part of each bit of the layout. So here I'll just show you around. So as you can see, the wires connect there. And I'll show you inside the box. So up these stairs, although incomplete, here's a window that will look over the crossing. Now if I take you into this little room here, these are the levers that control everything. It's like a lever frame. As you can see, each lever works separately on their own. So there's no interlocking here. And as you saw by the colour coding and my explanation, each one connects to a different set of points. I had to use a little bridge type thing as well to carry the circuitry over that valley, because they obviously wouldn't have fitted under the normal bridge. Okay, so back again for another clip, and we have now covered up all the circuitry. As you can see, you can't see where any of the wires come up, and we've put a roof on the box. It looks a bit neater now, as you can see, and we've covered up our wires as well. As in, we've made it so you can't get inside the circuits. This is the views from the level crossing, as I imagine you'd be interested to see that. And here's a look inside the lever frame with the roof on. There's the controls for the crossing. As you can see, as would be expected for an MCB, got full control and visual over it. So you see, for each of those sets of points we control, we can make them all change. Setting into a nice little pattern there. Well, that's a general overview of how we've started construction. Now we're going to be extending our track in that direction. So we'll do that by building like that in that direction. So that's the terrain. Well, I guess that's it for now. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back for another installment shortly.